Explore the most mind-blowing hidden waterfalls. Forget the big-name falls. The ones that haunt your dreams don't sell fridge magnets. They live down forgotten tracks where cell service goes to die. We're talking neon water, cliff faces that sneeze mist, and drops so tall you'll get vertigo from a photo. 6 spots, 0 crowds. Grab your pack. We're going off script. Quick head count. Only 12 humans have a selfie with the next faulty, fewer than have played golf on the moon. Want to be lucky? Number 13, deep in Arizona's Grand Canyon, Havasu Falls spills impossible Gatorade blue water over a 30-meter cliff. The catch? A 10-mile hike and snagging one of 350 daily tribal permits that vanish online instantly. Make the cut, and you can swim behind the cascade on a quiet Tuesday, catching a rainbow that looks CG. Flip south to Peru's cloud forest. Waterfalls, a 771-meter two-tier monster, stayed off global radar until 2005. You slosh through orchid-choked jungle to stare up at silver horsetails of water plunging more than half a kilometer. Locals say the falls brew their own microstorm, creating rain that falls right back onto the ridge. Trade jungle sweat for Scottish sideways rain. In Glen Nevis, steel waterfall slips 120 meters of white silk into a canyon. The path ends at a 3-cabel wire bridge that tests your balance. On windy days, the fall never reaches the bottom-up drafts, shear the water into mist that drifts uphill like a snow globe in reverse. Near Luang Prabang, Laos keeps Kwangsi falls up its sleeve. It stacks milky turquoise pools into a 3-tier wedding cake, with a main drop of 60 meters. Arrive at dawn and you'll share the mist with saffron-robed monks. Arrive at noon and you'll battle hundreds of selfie sticks. Venezuela's Angel Falls clocks in at 979 meters, making skyscrapers blush. After a 6-hour dugout canoe ride and a jungle bushwhack, the Tepui breaks through the clouds. The ribbon of water is so tall that in the dry season, it turns to mist before it ever kisses the ground. In New Zealand's Fiordland, Sutherland Falls fires 3 cascades for a total of 580 meters. The official route is the book-solid Milford track, but storms often cancel trips. When the clouds finally lift, the middle drop steals the show, hurling spray sideways faster than your raincoat can swear. Which beast are you chasing first? Drop a number in the comments and roast me for the one I left out. Smash subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. 6 waterfalls, 0 souvenir shacks. They ask for blisters and permit panic, but they hand back stories you can't buy in a gift shop. Keep your boots soggy and your passport sweaty, because the next jaw-dropper is hiding just past the end of your data bar. If the trail dies and there's nobody selling keychains, you've arrived.